Let's learn how to see Story Archive on Facebook. Now if you have stories that you created in the past and you wanted to go back and see that entire archive to be able to watch all of those stories, maybe you want to repost them again, put them on Instagram, whatever you want to do, I'll show you how to do that. Let's open Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner. On this menu we will tap on this little gear icon in the top right corner. Now all we have to do is to scroll down to your activity section, and when you come to that section, click on Activity Log. Now this will show you all your activity, including your story archive. So what we're going to do is to click on Archive option, that is first option in this place. Then again in top of the screen select a story archive. Now this menu show you every single story you post before, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.